Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 3 students. Hope so you all are doing well and enjoying your holidays. So, due to the current situation, we are shifted to the online classes. So, we will learn our computer further through our online classes. But you have to follow some of the considerations. For example, having a pen and a notebook in your hands. So, what's the date today? The date is 11th March 2026. And what's the day today? The day is Wednesday. So, let's start and come to our topic. So, students, today our chapter is chapter number 1, learning about the operating system. So, today we are going to learn about something really exciting, how a computer stores information and a special bar at the bottom of your screen. By the end of today, you will know exactly what files, folders, and the taskbar are. Let's go. So, okay, friends and children, my first question is, where do you keep your drawings or homework? Maybe in your bags or maybe in your notebooks. But, well, computers keep their work too, and they keep them in something called a file. Now, what is file? A file is like a piece of paper inside the computer. It can hold many things like a song, that's a sound file, a cartoon video, that's a movie file, a story you wrote, that's a document file. So, fun comparison. Let's do a fun comparison. Think of a file like your drawing sheet. One sheet is equal to one file. Each file has its own name, just like how you write your name on your worksheet. This name is called the file name. So, if you save a story about a lion, you might call it lion story. That's the file name. So, after that, every file also has a little picture next to it called an icon. The icon helps you quickly know what type of file it is: a music note for songs, a film strips for videos. So now come to the book read. Each file has a unique icon and a name to help you identify it. This is known as a file name. Then any piece of information stored in computer in the form of a file. A file can contain data, programs, etc. There are different types of files, example sound files, movie files, document files. Each file has a unique icon and a name to help you identify. This is known as file name. Then coming to the folder. So now I am continuing the example that I have told you before. If you have a lots of drawing sheets, where do you put them all? In a folder, right? The big cardboard one you carry to school. For example, the books are your files and your school bag is a folder. You are putting your books into your bag to collect it or to gather it. So, your school bag is a folder and your books are a files. Computers do the same thing. A folder on a computer is used to store a group of files together. It keeps things neat and organized. Example, a photo file, a drawing file, a story file. Instead of leaving them scattered everywhere, you put them all inside one folder called My Work. Now, everything is tidy. Then here is something cool. A folder can even hold other folders inside it. Just like a big school bag can have a small pencil pouch inside, a folder inside another folder. Wow, computers are so organized just like that. Hope so you are clear about the folders. Now, giving you another example, the book tells us something fun. A file in Windows is similar to a real folder where you store important papers like test papers and certificates. So, your computer works just like your school bags. So, now I want to ask you three questions. What do we call information stored in a computer? Write your answers on your notebooks. After that, we are having a question. What do we use to store a group of files? Write the answer on your notebooks. After that, we are having a question number 3. What is the name of a file called? So, the answer of question number 1 is a file. The question number 1 is, I am again repeating, what do we call information stored in a computer? The answer is a file. Then question number 2, what do we use to store a group of files? So, their answer is a folder. Now come to the question number 3, what is the name of a file called? A file name is the answer. Hope so you all are cleared about the file and folder. So, did you know one thing? A file in Windows is similar to a folder where you can store important documents such as text, paper and certificate, etc. Now come to our second topic, the taskbar. Okay, now let's talk about something you can see on the computer screen right now. Look at the very bottom of your computer screen. Do you see a long bar? That's called the taskbar. So now I'm explaining what it is. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar that sits at the bottom of the screen. Horizontal means it goes from left to right, like a straight road at the bottom. What does it do? The taskbar is super helpful. It shows you little icons and buttons of all the programs that are open on your computer. So, if you are using Word to write a story and watching a video at the same time, both of them will show up in the taskbar. It's like a TV remote. It shows you all the channels that are playing and you can switch between them easily. Now look at a figure 1.5 in your book, page number 6. At the right side, at the middle of the page, you can see icons for programs like Word, Excel and Chrome, all sitting in the taskbar. You can also see the time at the bottom right corner. That is very useful. So through the taskbar we can see our apps icons and etc. We can add a shortcuts as well. Now come to the book read. The taskbar is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. It shows buttons with icons which tell us what programs are open on the computer. For example, if the MS Excel and Adobe Acrobat programs are open, then the taskbar would appear as shown in figure 1.5. Now you will look to the diagram and you will see the taskbar. Hope so you can understand the files and folders and the taskbar. Now come to a last topic, changing the position of the taskbar, like how you can change the position of the taskbar. Here is something fun. Did you know you can actually move the taskbar to a different side of the screen? Let me tell you how. Step number 1. Go through steps slowly. There are just total 4 easy steps. Repeat it with me. How many steps are there? Very good. There are total 4 steps. Step number 1. First, move your mouse pointer to an empty space on the taskbar. Don't click on any icon, just find an empty spot. After that, step number 2, click and hold the mouse button. Don't let go yet. After that, the step number 3, while holding, slowly drag the mouse pointer to the right side of your screen. You are dragging the whole taskbar with you. After that, we are having a step number 4. Finally, release the mouse button. Let's go and look. The taskbar has moved to the right side. So, it's just like dragging a book from one side of your desk to the other. or for example moving a glass from your right side to the left side. So click, hold, drag, release. Easy peasy. You can move it left, right, or even to the top. So at last we are having a small summary. You all did amazing today. Let's quickly remember what we have learned. File, a piece of information stored in the computer, for example a sound file, a video file, or a document file. After that we are having a file name, the unique name given to each file. After that we are having a folder used to store and organize a group of files. After that we are having a taskbar, the bar at the bottom of the screen showing open programs. After that we are having a moving taskbar. Click, hold, drag, release to move it. Remember, a computer is just like your school. Files are your worksheets, folders are your subjects notebooks, and the taskbar is like your class timetable showing you what's happening. You already know how school works, so now you know how a computer works too. So at last, here was something fun or a little bit activity for you. Draw a folder and write 3 types of files you would put inside. Do this in your text copy. So children, here we are done for today. We'll see you all tomorrow, inshallah. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.